Our story starts here, a place known for having more than one hell that is actually boiling hot, incredibly beautiful, and even cooks your breakfast. This is Beppu, and our adventure here is about to get started. Beppu is a geothermal wonderland, and these hells are where the earth truly breathes. Get ready because we are diving in. But why does Beppu have so much steam? So many hot springs bubbling everywhere you look. Well, Beppu is one of Japan's most prominent geothermal areas. This means it's a place where heat from deep within the Earth's core, often linked to volcanic activity, warms the underground water, sending hot springs and steam bursting to the surface. Locals even call it the breath of the earth, a constant reminder of the planet's incredible power right beneath your feet. Our first stop, Umijigoku, or Sea Hell, a name that barely captures its mesmerizing cobalt blue. This mysterious pond truly looks like a refreshing sea, but its temperature is a scorching 98 degrees Celsius. It was formed 1,200 years ago from the explosion of Mount Tsurumi, a fascinating display of ancient geological power. It's even a designated national site of scenic beauty. Even leaving Umijigoku holds a surprise. A path adorned with vibrant red torii gates, leading us onward. This unexpected path took us on a little spiritual detour, climbing amidst the gates, a moment of quiet reflection before the next fiery display. From blue waters to the cooking pot hell, Kamado Jigoku, this is where the fun really heats up. It's named after the practice of cooking rice with Jigoku steam for festivals. We are drinking hot spring water and getting warm in front of the steam since it is 3 degrees Celsius outside. It was freezing outside, but this steam blast was like a natural spa treatment. The spring here spouts high-temperature water with fierce fumaroles, reaching 90 degrees Celsius. Next to Oniishi Bozu Jigoku, where hot gray mud boils in large and small spheres, supposedly resembling shaved monks' heads. Its temperature, a scorching 99 degrees Celsius. The next wild site is Oniyama Jigoku, also known as Crocodile Hell. Here, over 80 crocodiles thrive, using the 99.1 degrees Celsius hot spring heat for their habitat. It's been home to Japan's first crocodiles since 1923. Then, a surprising beauty at Shiraike Jigoku. The hot springs water is colorless and transparent when it initially appears, but as it falls into the pond, it naturally exhibits a bluish-white color. This 95 degrees Celsius spring is even used to breed a variety of sizable tropical fish in the park. For our grand finale, Tatsumaki Jigoku, a powerful geyser and a Beppu-designated natural monument. It gushes hot water and fumarole at regular intervals, and unlike other worldwide, it has surprisingly short intervals between eruptions. Prepare for a 105 degrees Celsius blast. Our final stop, the oldest natural Jigoku in Japan, Chinoike Jigoku, or blood pond hell. Its striking red color comes from the boiled clay, and this clay is famously used to make Chinoike Nanko, an ointment known nationwide for skin diseases. Even at 78 degrees Celsius, it's a vibrant, unforgettable sight. After all that excitement, we found a tranquil greenhouse with beautiful lotus flowers offering a peaceful contrast. We even found some foot baths, the perfect way to soothe tired feet after all that exploring. After exploring the incredible hells, we indulged in 2 hours of pure relaxation at a local onsen, the perfect way to unwind and to truly cap off our day. We just spent over 2 hours in this wonderful onsen. We dig our bodies in sand and then steam bath and onsen. A delicious meal at the onsen restaurant, where every dish was a delightful taste of Beppu's local culinary scene. Beppu truly is a city of incredible contrast and endless discoveries, from the Earth's raw steaming power to moments of profound relaxation and delicious local tastes. It's a journey that ignites curiosity, offers unique fun, and leaves you with memories you won't forget. It really shows that even hell can be an absolutely paradise to explore.
Life's too short to wait.
Exactly. So we decided to rewrite our story.
I'm Chloe.
And I'm Ivan.
We retired in our mid-40s.
Now we prioritize our health with exercise and healthy living, more time with family,
and exploring the world.
These are our adventures, our discoveries, and our stories.